Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Appsmith guide for 2026, I'll show you how to export an Appsmith project. Whether you're creating a backup, moving an application to another environment, or sharing your work with a team, exporting your project is a useful feature that helps you manage your applications more efficiently. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Appsmith account and open the project you want to export. Make sure all recent changes have been saved before proceeding. You can repeat this process whenever significant updates are made to your application, helping you maintain up-to-date backups of your work. And that's how to export an Appsmith project. By regularly exporting your applications, you can create backups, simplify migrations, and protect your work from unexpected issues. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.